The decision to spay or neuter your pet is an important one for pet owners. It can be one of the best decisions you make for their long-term welfare. Here to tell us the reason why is the SPCA's Sarah Gautreaux with the pet available for adoption. This is Miss Maggie.
This is Miss Maggie.
Oh, how cute is she?
She's so sweet. I love her.
And Sarah, what is Maggie's story? How long has she been with you guys?
She's been with us for about 2 weeks now.
Okay.
She did have some health issues coming in that we had to address, so we got rid of her little skin issues. She was covered in fleas when she came in. And then I did her little dental procedure, so she had some extractions, and now she's all ready for her home.
Oh, well, we hope someone watching today will
Yes.
see Maggie and adopt her. So, spay-neuter event. Are you guys actually having an event or just sort of promoting it?
We're promoting it. We have a grant from PetSmart Charities, which allows us to offer free spay-neuter for all Orleans Parish pets.
Gotcha. Why is it so important to spay and neuter your pet?
It is so important. Pet overpopulation is a huge issue in New Orleans and the greater New Orleans area. And so the best way to reduce that pet overpopulation is to spay neuter your pets. And that just takes the guesswork out of it. You don't have to try to put your dogs away when they're in heat or, try to stop your male dogs from escaping. Spay neuter will reduce all those behaviors as well as prevent overpopulation.
I was kind of surprised to read when I was researching this that there are certain factors that make New Orleans really a city for overpopulation of dogs and cats. One of them being the fact that we're a port city.
Yes, so since we always have ships going in and out that carry goods, food items included in that, there's always a readily available food supply. And so when you have this warm weather which prolongs our breeding season with these guys, with a food source and then shelters in our raised homes and abandoned buildings, it's just perfect environment for, overpopulation of pets, especially cats.
And that's why the raised homes aspect, why we're seeing, more cats and dogs stray in certain neighborhoods rather than others because they're able to find shelter in certain areas of the city.
Absolutely. There's raised houses in neighborhoods like Uptown and Mid-City, the older homes that are always built a little bit above ground.
Yeah.
That's perfect areas for cats, dogs, raccoons, opossums, all those animals to have shelter for their litters of babies.
Spaying or neutering your pet can also help it with some health issues down the line. It can prevent some health effects.
Absolutely. So for female dogs that are intact, your main concerns are mammary tumors, which is very common in an intact female dog, uterine cancers, but then also they can have an infection of the uterus. And emergencies seldom happen 9 to 5 Monday through Friday, so you can have a free spay with us at SPCA or with your veterinarian, have a spay procedure done with them, or you can have a pyometra surgery, which is very, very expensive, especially if during emergency hours.
Gotcha. Okay, well, again, Maggie is available for adoption at the SPCA. She's so adorable and looking for a loving home. You said she probably just wants to sit on the couch and watch TV with you, right?
Yeah, she'd be somebody's knitting buddy or football buddy.
Exactly, a football buddy.
Yes.
There you go.
Yes.
Well, Maggie and Sarah Gautreaux, thanks so much for being here this morning.
Thank you so much for having us.
We hope we
appreciate
find
it.
somebody to adopt her.
Yes, please take this baby.
Yes. Okay.